Welcome to Roca Do It. Today I'm going to teach you how you can install Oracle Cloud CLI. As you guys know, Oracle popularity is increasing day by day. People are now learning Cloud GUI and CLI. So this guide will going to help you how you can install CLI and how you can work on the CLI. Before installing the CLI, I would recommend you to at least collect the OCID of user and tenancy because this OCID you will going to require to configure the CLI. Alright, I have collected in one of my notepad which I will going to use. Okay, so basically there are two ways to install the OCI CLI. One is automatic, second is manual. Today I'm going to teach you how you can use the automatic method. Well, there is the guideline which you can see if you write on Google OCI CLI start, you will get the guideline. In the guideline, you will get the URL to install all the packages required to install the CLI. So this is a URL which I copied from the Quick Start guideline. I will share you the URL to open the Quick Start guideline. This URL is going to install all the packages required to run the OCI CLI in my machine. So I have copied the link. I'm going to press the enter. As you can see, it is asking me in what directory would you like to place this install. Either you can choose the different directory or you can continue with the same directory which is recommended. I'm going to continue with the same directory which is recommended in all the cases. This will ease up the process to install the Oracle Cloud CLI. Now you can see it is automatically installing required packages to run the CLI. You can see it is making my work very easy. So once it finishes, you will get a message, installation successful. I will show you. Just agree or just press the yes if you are okay with all the settings, default setting. Now installation is successful. These were the prerequisite packages which require to run the OCI CLI. Now in order to set the OCI CLI for your tenancy, you need to type this command OCI setup config. This will help you to set up your OCI CLI for your tenancy. Now this will going to ask me the location for the config file. I'm going with the default location. Now you can see it is asking me to enter the user OCID, which I asked you to collect. So I have collected in one of my notepad. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it. Now it will ask the tenancy OCID. I have copied it. Now it is asking the region in which I am running my tenancy. So this is a region. I choose a US Ashburn 1. You can select in whichever region you are working. So it is asking me to generate a new key pair. I said yes. You can use the existing key pair also and a directory for your keys to be created. Now this is going to create a directory .oci. This is a very important directory where you put your config file. So earlier this directory was not under my home. Now this is going to create it and I will use this directory to add the config file. Enter the name of your key, press enter. I don't want to use the passphrase, so I go with a blank passphrase. Now I'm going to show you the directory which it created. You can see .oci. Well, if you go inside .oci, here you will see the config file. This config file contains our user OCID, tenancy OCID, and all the relevant information to run the CLI. Now, if I run the CLI command, it will not work. It will show the authenticate failure because I have generated the public key and the private key which I have not added under my user, which you need to add. So I first create OCI, I first run OCI OS and I get, you can see the error which I'm getting is not authenticated because I have installed the CLI but I have not added my public key into the user. So what I have to do, I have to get my public key which is under OCI directory. I will see that my public key. So this is my public key. I just need to copy this public key and put under my user. Okay, so I'm going to copy and paste my public key here under my user. Okay, apply like I said, I'm using more than the limit. I delete my existing key as I don't require a lot of testing before making the video. So I thought, okay, so I have added my fingerprint. Cool. Now I'm going to run the same command to show you that if it works or not because now I have authorized my fingerprint. Cool, that worked. One more command I have for you guys so that you can see. Okay, this will give me the list of the compartment. Yeah, compartment list. You can see. Cool. Thank you so much for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe.